Welcome everyone, my name is Emily, and today's video is a gentle restorative practice that is perfect for when you're feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. It will be lying on our back the whole time and just really allow us to forget our worries for a moment, connect with our body, and completely relax. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel before we get started, and we'll begin lying on our backs. So we're going to start hugging our knees in towards our chest. So wrap your arms around your shins, maybe holding one wrist with the other hand. And then really lengthening the back of the neck so your chin can tuck in slightly. Feeling your shoulder blades grounded down into the earth. Noticing your spine and your hips. Letting them all completely relax. Starting to let go of some of the effort in the legs. So allowing your arms to completely support your legs. Knowing that everyone feels overwhelmed at times. And this state doesn't last forever. Going to gently release the legs and arms, so letting your arms fall down by your sides and extending the legs long. Take a big breath in, reach both arms overhead, nice big full body stretch. Pointing the toes away from you. And then exhale to release, relaxing the arms and legs. We're going to take another big stretch, inhaling to lengthen. And then on your exhale, we're going to start to bring the arms out by the sides. So imagine you're kind of making a snow angel, bringing your arms out to the sides and then down towards your legs. We're going to inhale, sweep the arms back up for your snow angel. And then exhale, slowly release the arms down. Doing this a few more times, really noticing each movement, really pairing the movement with your breath. Last time, bringing your arms back down. And then drawing your legs and your knees back in towards you. Coming back into that little ball. Releasing into your mat. We're going to bring our hands towards our knees. We're going to start to keep the knees together but make big circles, a big circle with both knees. So you might feel a little massage for your lower back. And connecting it with your breath, so maybe you inhale as your legs come away from you, and then exhale as they come towards you. And then make sure to go in the opposite direction. Really observing our entire body. And then wrap your arms around your legs again. And this time take your knees a little wider. So maybe your hands come away from one another, bringing your knees towards your armpits. And then just a gentle rock side to side. You can let your neck relax. Maybe your head rocks with you. And finding a version of happy baby. So your hands can come just around the ankles or maybe to your feet if you feel flexible enough this morning or today. And then a gentle rock side to side again. Slowly bringing your knees back together. Feet come to the floor with your knees bent. And then open the knees up for butterfly pose. Bring one hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Allow your hips to relax. Start to observe your chest and belly rising with every inhale and falling with every exhale. Slowly bring your hands back to your thighs and help your knees back together. Extend the legs long, reach the arms overhead, and then walk your feet over to the right corner of your mat. You can keep the feet together side by side, or you can cross the left ankle over the right. And then draw your hands over to the right as well. You can pick up your shoulders and move them over, coming into your banana pose. Holding your left wrist with your right hand. Nice big stretch along your left side. Focus on releasing any stress, tension, worries with every exhale. Slowly bring your arms and legs back to center. And then draw them over to the left. Right ankle might cross over the left leg. And settle into your pose here. And slowly draw everything back to center. Then extend your legs wide. Arms can come down by your sides. Slightly tucking the chin. Setting up for our final resting pose. Arms away from the body. Palms face up. Giving yourself this time to rest and restore in complete stillness. Promise me you will not spend so much time treading water and trying to keep your head above the waves that you forget, truly forget, how much you have always loved to swim. Thank yourself for taking this time for self-care. And please rest for as long as you like.